Hi guys, this is Ivy with WTI, and are you looking for the perfect vanilla scent? Well then look no further, because this Tahitian Vanilla Refreshing Body and Hair Mist is just the thing for you. I love this scent so much I could talk about it for hours. The best way that I can describe it is being sweet but not too sweet. It is labeled as a Tahitian Vanilla Mist, but I think it is a very amber scent, is like the best way that I can try to describe that. It is not too strong. It is very like in the middle. So I love to use this scent with some other ones. It's great to combine if that's your thing. I honestly love this scent so much. I love the size of the bottle as well because it is a great size for your buck. So it also makes it super affordable. What's great about this mist as well is that it's made with clean and simple products. It's vegan, paraben free, and also cruelty free. I recommend it to anyone. I cannot express to you how obsessed I am with this vanilla mist scent. It is absolutely perfect. I get so many compliments every time I use it, and I recommend it to anyone, but that is just my point of view.